So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is big idea in advertising. So let's start it. So basically, big idea in advertising is the core concept of any campaign, and you can say that it is the main theme or message of your campaign that resonate with your audience and also grab the attention of your audience. And but keep in mind that your big idea has to be memorable, emotionally impactful, and also represent the brand core values of your brand. So now I'm going to talk about some big ideas of different campaigns. So first, let's talk about and let's start it with Nike. Just do it campaign, or now it's the main slogan of Nike. So basically, the big idea behind this slogan or behind this campaign is to motivate or encourage athletes or non-athletes or normal person who is facing or going through some difficult time and challenging time and not able to find a way. So they just making different ads in which they encouraging different people, athletes and normal people, and motivating them and saying that you can overcome any challenging in your life. You just start it and you will definitely find a way along the way. Just don't give up and just do your hard work with full dedication and determination, and you will definitely find a way. That's their big idea. Just do it, and it's very quite it's and they are making some emotionally connecting ads and grabbing the attention of their audience all over the world. So you should watch some Nike ads on YouTube. You will definitely understand the big idea behind it. Now let's talk about Apple Think Different campaign, or now it's the main slogan of Apple as well. So basically, the reason behind this campaign or big idea behind this slogan is that they resonate themselves with creativity, innovation, or you can say it think different, forward thinking, and for that they resonate or they associate themselves or feature some iconic figures like Albert Einstein or Mahatma Gandhi to portray or promoting the message of creative thinking, innovation, forward thinking, and different thinking to encourage their audience to do something different in their life. And for that, they have been making different ads in which they are showing creative and innovative ideas to grab the attention of their readers. And now talk about Coca-Cola share Coke. So basically, Coca-Cola, what they are doing is Coca-Cola emphasizes, or you can say focusing on emotional connection, spreading happiness, and sharing Coke, and just portraying the message and promoting the message that you can share a Coke and spread happiness by spending time and sharing Coke and spending time with your colleagues, with your friends, and helping them in their different movements. So if you watch some Coke ad, they are making and emotionally connecting with their audience by making a very good or emotional ads and spreading happiness with a very strong message. So you can watch this their ads, so you will understand what's the big idea behind it. And now talk about Duff Real Beauty. Basically, Duff basically their big idea is to challenge. They are challenging stereotype of traditional stereotype of you can say it color, shape, sizes, and everything. And they are just portraying and connecting with their audience by portraying different sizes, shape, colors, and ethnicity of women in their ads, and connecting with their audience and grabbing the attention of their audience by making a very successful campaigns all over the world. So you can check those campaign as well, so you will understand in deeply what I even talking about here. So if we talk about Snickers, Snickers is a chocolate brand. You are not their big idea is that you are not when you are angry. You are not what you are not you when you are angry. So basically, big idea is that when you are hungry, so you lost your temper and you just lost control. You lost your control, and you don't realize your behavior changes, and you don't realize what you are speaking and talking and how you are behaving in front of your audience or in front of your friends, family, and colleagues. So they emphasizes, and if you watch some of their ads, so you will realize they just come up with different funny scenarios to cover and come up with different characters and showing that when they are angry they just do some silly things, and they just lost control of control of themselves, and the minute they eat Snickers chocolate, so they get back to normal in life, and they just they realize that what they were doing. So they are making a very good ad and directly emotionally connecting with their audience. So you guys should watch those ads, so you will definitely enjoy that as well. And now the last brand is P&G Thank You Mom campaign. Thank You Mom campaign. So basically, in this campaign, or the big idea behind this campaign is that they celebrated the support, or you can say they are paying tribute to athletes' mom for raising their kids the way, and they are able to perform in this Olympic campaign. So basically, they launched their campaign during the Olympic time, in which they emotionally share the journey of the athlete's mom, how they supported their kids in difficult time and encourage them to just go forward. You will achieve anything in your life. They just show everything in those campaign and emotionally connected with their audience, not only in specific countries but all over the world. They got a huge huge. You can say people like campaign all over the world. So that's how brands are making and coming up with different big ideas. And if you see that every brand intention or when they were making and working on big ideas, they just focusing on emotional connection, so to connect with their audience. So emotional connection is very important while making and working on big idea. So it gets easy for the brand to connect their audience and grab the attention of their audience easily. So whenever you work on any campaign, so keep in mind that tell some kind of a story which you can directly, and there should be some kind of emotions on it, and it has to be memorable, and if anyone can link with this campaign, so with that idea. So you have to keep in mind while working on these big ideas. So hope you like this video. I will come up with more videos like this in future. So that's it for now. Bye.